Hi guys, and welcome back to Extreme Garage with me, Lawrence. Now, I promised you something epic this week, and today I am actually on my way to somewhere epic. As you can probably tell from the title of the video, it gives it away a little bit. I'm taking this appliance back to the actual station it once worked, so that is going to be fab. So we're going to cover that as much as possible, but the second bonus to it is the BBC are also covering the thing as well, so I've got to do some filming with the BBC first, and then I've got to do some our own filming we can do afterwards. But the BBC footage, we're going to cover the interview with the BBC ourselves. So I'll put a link over up here or down below in the description below, so you can have a look at actually what it's like participating in some work with the BBC. So fab.
So on arrival, we were met by Paul, the station manager, and Sarah, the watch manager. And as you can see, I'm with Sam, who is the crew manager, and he was just showing me how to fit the suction basket onto the suction hoses, which is just a dead simple screw on and then pull over the basket and tie the basket into place. I mean, those suction hoses have never been out since having it, but then this is attached to the suction on the pump, and then you put that into open water, either a lake or a canal, and then you'll be able to get your water from that source.
So Sarah's pulling out their appliance now, so I can pull mine in. So when the other guys turn up or a station here, they're going to have a bit of a surprise when they see my appliance, the original appliance from here, back where it belongs. So it's been fab so far. You know, the film we did with the BBC, they were great. We got to mention the charity, Firefighters Charity, and the charity run that we're doing. And the guys here have been absolutely fab. Couldn't have asked for more from them. They've been so helpful. I've asked them loads of questions. I've had a look around all their appliances and their equipment, and I've looked through their old book of what they've done in the past. Yeah, I'm going to have to reverse up a little bit.
Now apparently this turn can be done in one, but for some reason it's amazing how different the sizes are compared to this one in their Scania appliance. Mine is a lot narrower when it was actually pulled into the shed. So it was quite fascinating how much room there was around it. But the weird thing was for us is that although this one is narrower, it's actually got more room in the back. I mean, in the Scanias, it was like sardines in a tin. It was so compact and not a lot of room to move. But in the back of this, there's so much more room for people.
So the appliance is now back in its exact spot it would have been several moons ago. It's absolutely fantastic feeling to actually put this back in its original fire station, and it's been great fun actually looking around this fire station.
So then Sam, the watch manager, sat back in the driving seat, which brought back many memories for her. I mean, I've learned a lot of new things during our 5-hour visit, and you can really see how well the fire crews get on and how they treat each other like family. I mean, each of the lockers even have numbers, which I didn't know, and Sam happily sorted out my lockers and put the correct items in the correct places for me, because it was a mess.
Some of the ex-firefighters, they popped down to come and have a look at the appliance. They're sharing some of their stories. Some of them are hilarious. Some of them I can't really share on camera, but they've been absolutely fantastic. The people that have used this in the past are absolutely phenomenal.
I even got a demonstration on how to correctly take off the 135 ladder and use it to its full extension, which I now know is definitely a four-man thing and not to be attempted by just me and my brother, which if you remember from the first couple of videos, it was quite hilarious for people. The crew made us feel so welcomed, and me, Dan and Richard enjoyed every moment of it. But there was just one more treat in store for me though, having the crew gear up and letting me drive them out the station, which is, it's one thing taking the fire engine back to its original station, but being able to actually have a full crew in there with me while I drive them out is absolutely something else. So thoroughly enjoyed every moment of it. So then guys, if you like the video, don't forget to hit thumbs up, and if you haven't already, go and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.